Hey, how's it going? I broke my wall. But today's gonna be a special day. I'm gonna go snowmobiling for the first time. One of my friends up in Idaho named Keegan, he's a super guy, he's a fun guy, he's a nice guy. You should check him out, this is his Instagram right here. Has invited us to go snowmobiling. It's gonna be fun, dangerous, who knows, I don't know. It's my first time, so I'm gonna send it off a cliff as soon as I get there. But first I need to get ready. Would you look at that? I learned that from TikTok. Here's the TikTok video of the day.
Abby, hurry up.
Abby, hurry up.
Abby, hurry up.
Abby, hurry up.
We're gonna be meeting Keegan in Rexburg, Idaho. That's about a 4-hour drive, but we can do it in 4 seconds. All right, so we finally got here. Keegan's about to get in the car. Hey, Keegan.
With the boys and Abby.
How you doing, dude?
Good.
Good? Where are you taking us?
We're going to Island Park, which is north of here, Rexburg, what it's like on the way to Yellowstone.
Oh. Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
Look who I'm with.
Josh.
Is that it's Keegan.
Oh my gosh, you thought I was Denton?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? We're all hanging out and you're not here.
We're in Idaho.
Oh, you're not?
He really is, dude.
Actually.
Hey, dude, I just wanted to call to make you jealous a little bit.
Yeah, we wanted you to come.
Yeah,
Trust me, I'm gonna come too.
yeah.
We need to come in the summer and we go boating.
Boating in the summer, Josh, yeah?
Yeah.
Abby, yeah? All right, dude, we'll talk to you later. See you, bro. All right, so we're just snowmobiling out at Keegan's cabin in Idaho. This is not a cabin, Keegan. This is a freaking full-on mansion you got up here in the woods. I'm scared, dude. This is massive. You look good. What about me? How do I look?
Good.
Speed. They're meant to be fit though, so they don't slide around.
Okay, so the plan right now is to go take some pictures outside of her. Look at her. And then I guess he needs some pictures. Yeah, he's kind of sexy to look at.
Went through a few pine trees.
Okay, we're gonna start recording on the GoPro because I do not want to What? I think it's about out of gas. Oh yeah? Yeah, I just don't want to break my camera. So we're gonna be vlogging. Ow, what is that? You ready? Yeah. Put on your goggles. Check. Oh no. All right, this is my first time riding.
Nobody's coming, right?
Yep, you're good. Where to next?
Let's keep going on. Hopefully I can find.
Are we going up? Please don't tell me.
No, we won't go up because you'll get stuck. We'll go on the trail up and see if we can find some more.
All right, so how do I turn around? Do I just...
We can go do a big loop.
Okay. Let's see what you got, Keegan.
Oh, he's stuck. He needs me to sit in the back. Oh, okay, we'll wait for you right here. We'll wait for you right here. Good luck. Yeah, good job. All right, let's get out of here, go. All right, let's see what you got, Abby. Wow, looks really good. Never mind. Looks great. So that's gonna wrap it up for now. It was super fun. Again, this is Keegan's Instagram. Give him a follow. He's a cool guy to know. Right, Keegan?
What?
Yeah.
I got some wild hair from my helmet.
Yeah. Thank you so much for taking us out, dude.
Oh, of course, it's awesome.
All right. Well, I'll see you guys on the next trip adventure thing. Peace.